Hi everybody, this is Bhupinder Tube. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the volume of server clips in your Premium Pro at once. It's a very useful trick. As you can see, I have so many clips in this video which I took when I went to Dublin, which I'm gonna post very soon on my YouTube channel. But my problem here is I want to increase the volumes, but if I have to do that, I have to do that at the moment one by one. But I want to show you how you could do it all in one go. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So first, increase one of the clips volume to the desired level, like I've done here by selecting it and dragging the level up. Once you have done that, then you need to go to the edit here and then click on copy. And once you have done that, then you will need to hold the shift button and keep selecting the other clips, or you could just select them by drawing a box like this, which is quicker, and go right up to the end. Once you have selected all the clips that you want to match the level of the one that you copied, all you need to do is to go to the edit, then click on paste attributes. By default these would all be selected, so uncheck them and leave these on, leave them checked, and then click OK. As you can see, all of them now have gone to the level that we wanted, which matches the level of the first clip. This can be done to, as you saw, to effects, to videos as well, rather than just the audios. I hope this video was useful, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. By the way, I'm talking very slow because my partner is sleeping at the moment and I woke up very early in the morning to make this video, so I have to talk very quiet so that I will not wake her up.